Good morning, everyone, and another Friday is here. I'm going to wait till some people hop on, and if you're watching this, you are watching a replay, so type hashtag replay. And if you are watching me live, say hi. And I'm going to pick my lip color to go with this look. So if you have anything in mind, share with me. I will share my eye look and what I have done in a few minutes. Till that, I am going to just make sure I have everything ready for the look. So for my eye look, I think I have done this one along with my Navratri look. This one I have followed Smita Deepak. She's a YouTuber which I really love following her YouTube tutorials. So this is one of her look. This is a look she created while recreating Anushka Sharma's Bahubali look. So he has done all the makeup and hair and all. So I still try to create the eye look alone. That's the one I try. When I was doing in back in October, I didn't have mauve shimmer that time. She picked a purple, that's the base color and all over lid color. So what I did for today's look is I have done candlelight to color correct all over the lid. So that's my go-to. If the color has to pop, your base has to be light. So I have seen some people use snow. Snow is like a white shadow sense color. So I have seen people use that too. So for my skin tone, I have used candlelight. I know candlelight has like a peachy undertone to it. That's why it is easy to color correct. And I have used sandstone pearl to in my brow bone to give us a highlight. Sandstone pearl comes in three types. It comes in a matte, where it comes in shimmer, and it also comes in glitter. So you can pick any of them. Just the consistency will be little different in each. So that's the one I have done for my brow bone, and I have used mauve shimmer as my transition because, as I said, when I did back in October, I didn't have mauve shimmer, so I have used mulberry that time for my transition. But today I have used mauve shimmer, which is like a very beautiful. Hi Jayashree, good morning. I know you are super busy with your new business. Hope it's going good. I could see the post every single day. So congratulations on that. I know anything you do, you are going to shine. And I picked this bangle from yours to wear with this saree to go with that. And I have mixed pinkberry blush scents and along with the tropical orchid. It's a glitter, so when you do a glitter, it will not have a base to it. That means glitters will be like what to say, like a little thinner consistency when compared to shimmers and matte. So I mixed with pinkberry blush scents. You can see how much I have used in the past 1 year or more. This is how much you will be needing whatever you do, because our blush is so concentrated. It's again a cream to powder blush, but you will need like a tiny drop for that. Whether you are using it as a blush, you can use it as a lip color, you can use it as an eyeshadow. Thanks, Jayashree. Thank you so much. Unfortunately, I didn't go with my recent order. As you know, like I was so eagerly waiting for to come and do the uh, all the new ones with you, but unfortunately I don't even know when my travel is going to be. So hopefully soon I will do the second set. so so I have mixed pinkberry with pink no tropical orchid glitter for my overall eyelid color and also on the transition. So that's the color I have used, and obviously I have used onyx for my wing, my waterline, and also to smoke out the corners. It's more of a cat eye look, so it is like you bring it outside. So that's onyx is my go-to. Actually, if you see, if every shadow will come with a stopper here, but when you are feeling that it's almost done, you can remove the stopper and you will have plenty of products. If you see, I have used I will, yes, Shri. And for this one, I have removed the stopper. So once you remove the stopper, your applicator will be able to reach till the end. That way you can see how much more product was left once you remove the stopper. You can do this with gloss, you can do it with our lip sense, pretty much you can do it this one with anything. That way you can you will have plenty of stuff still left out. So always make sure you remove it before you throw it and get the next one. But the only drawback is with Shadow Sense, it's not that thinner consistency. So even if you remove the stopper, it's still you can travel with it. But with gloss and lip sense, you have to store it upright, or else it will start spilling, since it doesn't have that stopper. And last time I remember, like I wore a similar eye look, but I think that time I did a strawberry shortcake with sugar plum. I think that's the one I did. But I'm thinking maybe I will do Kiss My Sass for this. Maybe I will do, I have picked few. These are the choices I picked. I had a sunstone, which is like a pink with gold. You can see that matches too. And I had Kiss My Sass, which is my favorite, recent favorite. Then I have Sugar Plum. Sugar Plum is a very thinner consistency, but it adds a lot of glitter to the it's a shimmery color, so you can see it's like a pink with a little bit of shimmer to it. Peacock Pearl will be little purplish, but it will go with the eye look, but obviously it will have like more of a purple tint. And as I said, I had Sunstone, which is pink with gold. So maybe I will do like I'm not going to premix. I may do a layering combo. Let's start with maybe what is it, like, shall we do 2 colors or 3 colors? I can mix based on that. Maybe I'll do 1 layer of Sunstone and 1 layer of Kiss My Sass, and maybe we can top it with Sugar Plum. What say? Let's see. Let's first if you have any suggestions, you can always pop in. Like, I have every single gloss, I have every single lip color lined in before me. So whatever I have it in stock or showed you guys, it's there in front of me. So let me go ahead and first clean my lips. And always make sure you clean your lips with even water, or I use witch hazel because that way it can clean it better. But it's not a must. If you feel like it will dry out your lips, you don't have to. You can just use plain water. I don't have water here, so I used it I used that. I am going to start with I'm going to start with sunstone. One layer of sunstone. Sunstone is a very pretty shade. Again, sunstone is a sold out shade in the what is it, like in the website, but that's why I'm going to do just one layer of it. And the color is so good. It's so tempting to wear it. I'm going to do only one layer of sunstone. Always make sure you do thin layers. When you do thin layers, it's easy to dry. So that way your layers will not be sticky at all. Yeah, so that's one layer of sunstone. I'm going to do the next layer as Kiss My Sass. I know Kiss My Sass will be little lighter because it's a sheer consistency. You can basically do any color, any combinations, whether you are pre-mixing or layering, that will be the one. And I know almost all schools might have been closed for summer break. So what's the plan for the summer? I know that's the biggest question, like either what is lunch or dinner today, or the what I have to do. If any of the kids doesn't say I'm bored, that's like a gift. Mine will come and every 10-15 minutes and he say I'm bored. That means he needs electronics. So this is Kiss My Sass. So I'm going to do second layer as Kiss My Sass. I have done one layer of sunstone. So sunstone is shimmer. If I am not wrong, sunstone has gold glitter for sure. So that's Kiss My Sass. Second layer of Kiss My Sass. I think, shall I add sugar plum, or will do Kiss My Sass itself one more layer? I can do actually 4 layers too, because Kiss My Sass is very what is it, like sheer. So maybe we'll go with one more layer of Kiss My Sass and see how the color looks, and then maybe we can top it with my favorite not Stella Glass. I think we can go with where is that? I have to find it. We can do with Madeleine, but I'm looking for, yeah, no, I am looking for sweet pea, I guess. Let me find sweet pea. You can either do Madeleine or we can do sweet pea. Let's decide on that. So I'm going to do the one more layer of Kiss My Sass. If you are new, you can use like a disposable wand if you don't want your colors to get mixed. Mine is, I know I have dried enough, so I'm doing with the original wand itself. So that's one sunstone with uh, two kiss my sass. So I have to find sweet pea. There is, yeah, I found it. So we can top it with sweet pea glass, or we can top it with Madeleine. So if you want like what to say, like a matte look, you will go with Madeleine. You will seal the color with Madeleine gloss. Or if you want a little bit of glitter, you can add sweet pea. I'm going to skip sugar plum, and I'm going to add sweet pea instead, because that way you have a little bit of glitter and you seal the color as such. Do you see the difference between adding a gloss versus not? Because being a glitter gloss, it adds a nice tint to it, as well as it seals the color, and it's going to moisturize at the same time. Sweet pea is one of my favorites. Sweet pea and Madeleine are like top sellers. Madeleine got sold out of company wide. Oh, I need to fix it. 1 second. Yeah. This is my all-time favorite earring from Tinker. No. Trinket shop, sorry. I got confused, because if you follow one person you will know, but I literally follow so many people in Insta. So I really like how Sweet Pea turns this into a like a shiny one, because as I said, Kiss My Sass is very light. It's being a sheer color. So the color I did for today's look is I did one sunstone, which is like a pink with gold glitters to it, and I added 2 layers of Kiss My Sass, and I added sweet pea to seal the color. You can always use glossy glass to seal it first, and then you can use a colored glass too. Particularly if you are using matte gloss, then I will suggest that, because being a matte gloss, it may be little drying. So always seal the color with the glossy glass. Give it a few minutes. You don't have to soak in for so long and all. Just give it 1 or 2 minutes until you make sure you get ready with other things, and then again seal it with matte gloss. That way the color will turn into matte after few minutes. Even with glossy, you can, once you seal it, you can just wipe the gloss a bit. That way you will that way the color will obviously be matte. Like, I mean, the glossy is not going to stay all day, like it gets absorbed, and it is anyway going to change as a matte look after some time. But if you are particularly wanting to show as a matte color, then obviously you can top it with matte gloss for any time. So that's the look I have come up with today, and I will share the colors and the blush, whatever I have used in a separate post. Have a wonderful day. And other thing I wanted to mention is about the mystery bag. I know mystery bag is always what to say, like one of the top searched thing in the group. Like, I mean, I have been having the YouTube account only for like less than 2 months, I would say. That's the period, because I think I started only after the pandemic, so it should be less than that. But if you see, the Sanachan's mystery bag one, where I did, was the one of the top hit in the YouTube channel too. The second one will be obviously retinal, so people always search those. Sanachan's again came up with the mystery bag, but I think this time I don't see any skincare mentioned. So it's only lip-sense, glosses, eye-sense, it can be pencil or the liquid liners, and then I think the mascaras. So it clearly says it's going to be bold choices. So I always prefer these mystery bags, because this gives you a chance to be do something out of the normal you do. Because for example, if you want to choose a color, you will always be picking the colors from your usual choices. When you do a mystery bag, it makes you try something out of the box, because if you ask me, until I have tried whether it's red or purple, if I am going to over the counter, I don't think I would have grabbed those for the first choice. So when you have it, and once you try it, you will start liking the color, and it will make your look different from what you do. For example, if you look peacock pearl, even though it looks like a purple in the bottle, once you wear it, it will look so pretty. But sometimes we judge it with the color in the bottle. For example, a gloss like this may be scary to many people, but once you wear it with the perfect occasion, it will really accentuate your look, or it will really look nice with the complete outfit. So if you want to, you can always grab it. It's going to be $60 for the mystery bag, but the minimum value for the mystery bag starts at $145. So it says up to 80% you can get any value in the product in the bag. So if you are looking to try these for a long time, then this will be a perfect choice, because it says lip sense and glosses. So I am assuming obviously they will have one lip sense with one gloss in each of them. So you will be good to go to start with, because I don't think they will give a lip sense without gloss, because this is for even assumption that new customers will buy it. So it's clearly said and for the lip sense and glosses. So I am assuming it's going to be that way. So it's going to be from June 12th to only June 15th. Each bag is going to be for $60, and it will have products worth more than $145. So if you want to grab a bag, either you can directly grab from the website. I will always share my website link. It's sanachans.com/smileallday. You can grab from there, or if you think you want me to pick, I will always place like a bulk order, and then I will be able to ship out to them. So either way, it's fine. If Sanachans directly sends to you, then obviously I don't have any control over it. It will directly be shipped out to you in that. But if I have it, like for example 4 or 5 bags, then I can at least pick it from there. But the one thing to consider is obviously there are going to be bold choices, but who knows if it is a blue mascara, a purple mascara, or a green pencil, anything can be in the bag. So they just announced it today morning, so most probably it's going to be for 3 days. I will be placing a big order anyway today or tomorrow, so I can anyway add it to that. So that's all for today's video. Have a wonderful time. See you all soon on Monday. Have a wonderful day.